All right, so let's get over to our class. Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did.
Good. Okay, I see you have turned in your 6-word stories. So no one from AM or PM turned in the videos. So I am extending the deadline because I don't know if I know AM people had some conflicts, and I'm just in case people are lost, and I also don't want to pile on a new assignment when everybody, not just a couple, but everybody hasn't turned it in, because I don't want people to get overwhelmed and behind. Plus, as you know, tomorrow we do not have school because it's election, so you have no classes tomorrow. And then of course Wednesday is our normal day that we don't Zoom for this class, so we won't see each other until Thursday. So I thought this is the perfect week. We're just going to play catch up, and then I'm behind getting your grades in, so that'll give me time to get grades in. So I wanted to call your attention to, I've got a checklist here. I'm a big list person. When I have things on lists, I tend to get things done quicker and better. So I made one for you all. So obviously you have already, Urbane, completed the Google form, but for anyone else, since I'm recording this, anyone else who has not completed that Google form yet needs to get that completed. After you've completed your Google form, you need to pick the one out of the 10 you submitted, the one story that you want to turn into a video. So Urbane, have you picked that yet? Which one you want to do?
I forgot to pick the last time I took the Google form. I forgot to pick one.
Okay, well, just go back in and look at it. And are you able to go back in and look at those after you've submitted them?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay. Then you know what I'll do? I will, when we get off this class, I'll send you a copy so you
Okay.
can do that. So then what everyone you need to do after you've picked your one story, and again, you might like one story a lot, but maybe, and that might be your favorite, but that one might not translate as well to video. So keep that in mind as you make your selection. So I have added, you'll see here, and I meant to add it last week and I didn't. So the storyboard. So that's where you're planning out your 6 shots. So you can either use, some of you got the little hard copy that, I'm sorry. Some of you got the hard copy paper that I gave you on the home visits. Otherwise, you can make your own, or you can use the digital one. So let's go back here to last week. Actually, let's pull up the full screen here. So the storyboard, I've put a page in here. So if you do a real, like a handwritten copy, snap a picture of it. Either if you have a phone with the phone, or you can hold it up to your Chromebook and snap a picture that way and then upload that picture file. Or if you do the digital version back here that I posted on Wednesday that we went over in class Thursday, these digital versions, when you're done, after you do it digitally, you can download it. So this was the sample that I did, and I downloaded it, and that's what it looked like. And then you can just upload that into the Canvas submission. So as you see, like, that was my 6-word story, and the story was, I should have put what it was. I need to put that in there. Was sometimes nothing is better than something. And those are the little images I would put if I were going to turn that 6-word story into a video. So here are the storyboard creators that you can use for that. And then again, after you create that, just upload that file for me to look at. Now, just showing me what you did, you're going to get 100%. So just turning in a storyboard is 100%. Then what I'll do, I'll either be like, oh, that looks awesome, or I might make some suggestions like, oh, that looks good, but have you thought about maybe try this shot? So that's all I'm going to do with that, is give you some feedback. Simply doing it will earn you 100%. So I would like those in ideally today or tomorrow, because that way it'll give you more time to work on shooting your video. So as you see, tomorrow, Wednesday, you have to work. Thursday, we will meet up just to talk briefly, see if you have any questions. And then this Friday is the new deadline for the 6-word story. So here's the submission page back here. Of course, you know, you can always go up to assignments and you can always find it there as well. But let's just review that real fast. So remember, 6 clips of video. So 6 words, 6 clips. No 2 shots are alike. And that you shoot the 6 different shots from 6 different angles. So I want at least 3 of them to be the wide, the medium, the close-up, and then you can pick what you want the others to be. And then here is the storyboard. So here's where I might go into some more detail here, and that's where I'll give you feedback. And then video composition, that you've done the requirements there. Audio, again, if you do a voiceover, you're not required to. But the other audio elements might be maybe you put music over it or just the natural sound. But what we don't want it dead silent, okay? It can't be dead silent. So whatever audio elements you have is that we can hear them. And then editing, that it basically flows and it makes sense. So with that, do you have any questions? You're going to get the whole week to get that done. So any questions about it?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Did your why did it do that? Did your camera ever did you get that figured out, getting the clips off of the camera?
No, I haven't, but I'm going to try it again today to see if
Okay,
it works.
try it. Do you have a phone that takes video?
Yeah,
You might want to try that. And then do you have a iPhone or an Android device?
I have an iPhone.
iPhone. Okay. I'm going to go ahead, in case other people are having the same problem. I'm going to put a link in this week's module of some free free editing apps. And actually, Urbane, if for anyone who has an iPhone, if you should look in there, it should already on there have iMovie as an editing
Oh yeah,
app.
I have it. I have iMovie.
Okay, you know what, Urbane? If you want, just shoot it on your phone, edit on your iMovie. That's, I mean, still see if you can figure out what the problem is on your Chromebook. Otherwise, next time I can come by and take a look at it myself. But try to figure out, but if it's still giving you troubles, just edit it on the iMovie on your phone. Like shoot, just remember though to shoot it horizontally, like this.
Yeah.
Not like that. Shoot it like that. And that might be right now the easiest to do, but play around with the camera still and see if you can get that sucker to work. Otherwise, everyone you can use your phones and iMovie. There are some free apps for editing for Android devices. Adobe has the Premiere Rush, which is free, which is for iPhone or Android, if anyone wants to try that. But I'll put some links in there to help out. So do you have any other questions?
No.
Okay. Well, tomorrow, of course, no school. I'm going to be doing I have a couple more home visits to make. So if anyone out there watching this hasn't seen me yet, I'll try to get there tomorrow and Wednesday. But if you need me, I will be on and off my computer throughout the day. So if you have any questions, just email me. I won't be in front of the computer all day since we have the day off, but I will be on and off throughout the day on the computer. If anyone needs me, you can shoot me a question on email and I will get back to you as soon as possible.